Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fortunately, most DIY methods for unfreezing pipes gets the water flowing again in 30 to 40 minutes. You might be tempted to wait for the pipes to thaw out by themselves. But keep in mind, depending on the weather, the process can take days.
Take our lead.
In most cases, you can unfreeze a frozen drain pipe by pouring hot water down it. Fill a pot with a half gallon of water, and heat it on the stove. When it begins to boil, carefully remove it from the stove and slowly pour it down the drain. This may be enough to thaw the ice and completely clear your drain. 30 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Your best option ahead of a freeze: shut off your pipes before you go to sleep. Go out and turn that main turn off. Turn some faucets on so your pipes can drain. They can't burst if there's no water in them to freeze. Director of Public Works for the City of Houston Carol Haddock says.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.